morning. Today we would like to show you where the bread comes from here in Amed. So we buying always our bread in Adi shop, and so we came to the Adi shop and the girls will show us how they are baking the bread. First of all, I will show you a little bit around. So that's already something prepared, the dough, and that's the ovens. They're breaking a bread. So why we decided to talk about the bread? Because the bread is not something really usual in Asia countries. When we lived in Philippines, there was a kind of problem always to get the bread. The only place to get the bread was to go to the Cebu city, which was about, I don't know, 3 hours drive. And then later on there was one Belgian guy who started to bake a bread, and it was kind of really exotic for everyone. Everybody ordered a couple of days in advance just to get this bread. And the thing is that all the Europe has really strong bread traditions, and we kind of, I don't know, back home there was like kind of you eating dish with a meat and you still eating bread. Or for example, when I'm eating soup, I definitely need the bread. Here in Bali, it's actually kind of better situation because there's a lot of, I don't know, this is just because of these foreigners who missing bread, and then there are so many bakeries like French bakeries and other stuff, and then they've been teaching like local people also to bake a bread. Ayo, can you tell me please what bread you are baking here?
Okay, thank you. We make it multi-cereal, make it Bavarian, multi-mat, baguette. We make a burger, yes, brioche, brown bread, sesame bread, and then we make pretzel, and then some cookies. We make cookies, apple pie, muffin, and brownies. And then also if the guest order for gluten-free, yeah, we make it gluten-free also. But if the guest request.
So it's on a request.
Yes, correct.
Yeah. Thank you very much, Ayu.
You're welcome. Thank you too. Yeah.
This will be baguette. Wish you can feel the smell which I'm surrounded with at the moment. It's just incredible. So something is coming out. Making the video about this place is because I'm buying my bread here. No one paid me. This is not the paid advertisement. It's just simply the place where I'm buying a bread and the bread I like. Thank you very much for watching. Subscribe, follow, and see you tomorrow again. Bye.